everyone, Petal is Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. And I have two glam DIYs to share with you today. Okay, so for our first DIY, I have this nice jar here that I got from my local dollar store. And it comes with a lid. And I'll be adding some of this pearl wrap here. And I'll be using some E6000 to lay it down. So we're just going to start by putting down the E6000, and then we are going to add our pearl wrap going all the way down. Now we're just going to continue this pattern going right around our jar. Okay, so now we're all done adding the pearl wrap. So I'm going to come in with this glam chain that I have here. And again, I'm using some E6000, and I'll be filling in the space in between each of our pearl wrap. And again, I will be applying this going right around our jar. And all the items that I'll be using on today's two DIYs will be listed down below in the description box. So now I'll be adding some of our silver chain going around the top part of the jar. Again, using the E6000, you could use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project with. And now it's time to add some of the glam chain to the lid of our jar. So again, using some E6000, and I'll just place the chain going right around 2 times around the top part. And here is our look for DIY number 1. Our glam jar. Doesn't it look lovely? Taking simple items from a dollar store, putting them together, and you have a lovely piece of decor for your home. And a wonderful gift for your mother or the special lady in your life for Mother's Day. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. So for DIY number 2, I have this little thing here that I got from Dollar Tree a while back, and I'll be using some of our white stones to glue down with some hot glue. I'll be gluing them down to this container, and you can use the Mod Podge to do this, but I like using the hot glue to add the stones. It's much faster. It's a faster process, and I like doing it this way. Everything is all done. I'm going to come in with some silver acrylic paint, and we are going to paint our container. Well, paint our stones going all the way around. The paint will also help to seal in the stones to our container. Now we have the same jar again, and I'll be going in with our glam silver chain. And using some E6000 and just gluing the chains going down our container like we did before, but we're just using the silver chains this time. Okay, so this is the pattern that we have here. So now I'm going to come in with this glam chain that I have here. Now we're going to go right around the top part of the container using some E6000. And now it's time to bling out our lid again like we did once before. So again, I'm putting the glue and then I'll put the glam chain going right around. Now our little stone container is all dry. So we were going to take our jar, use some E6000 and glue our two pieces together. And here is the finished look of our second jar. I like how this one turned out, using simple items like I said before and making yourself something lovely for your home to help spruce it up for spring or a lovely gift for Mother's Day. I think any mother would love to receive something like this. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our second DIY. And if this is your first time on my channel, I'd like to say welcome, and I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell on your way out so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, I upload videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.